In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a $250 burst fade. Let's get it. And today's the day, bro. First step is I'm going to section his parietal ridge, and from his recession point, everything down here would be from the fade, and then everything from this side will be the back of the fade. So I'm going to do a vertical section down here, that right there, using my clips, put it in, bop, bop. I'm going to come in with my clipper over comb, and I'm going to use that to debulk all these hairs right here. All this is what we don't need, so we're going to debulk that, and this is the way more efficient process to get rid of bulk, right? Instead of using the clipper, using clipper over comb will allow us to create that shape as well as debulk at the same time. So that is the step. I'm gonna come in now with my first guard line, and watch where I place my guard line. Right where that curve starts to happen for neckline. It comes in and then it comes in just like that. So I'm not taking this guard line actually further back. I'm keeping it here with the one guard open. I'm doing just a small guard line here because I don't want to take this fade too high, right? I don't want to take it any higher because he has a smaller range of fading canvas, so we only want to take it like roughly about 1.5 centimeters because his hair is also quite thin as well. So when clients have thin hair like this, you want to make sure that you do smaller guard line. Now coming in to take off this line, I'm going to come in with the trimmers and I'm going to line up his C cup, right? This will enable us to really see the whole fade and really allow us our fading process to be a lot more blurrier because we've lined up everything and allows us to see all the imperfections in the fade, right? Gonna line up his vertical bar now, bang, bang. Now going to line up the back. At the back, he wants it in a V shape, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up where the hair starts to grow. So right around here is where it starts to grow, and we're going to continue that line all the way straight. The reason why we line up first as well is that when we fade, we can keep this line dark. Come in with my blade open, and I'm going to just do a very small, light little guide line right here for this low burst fade. The reason why we keep it so small like this is because it allows us to compensate for when people have a smaller canvas to work with. Like the ear to the parietal ridge is a lot smaller, you take smaller guard lines. Now I'm going to come in with the half guard and I'm going to slap that on, one closed, and get rid of that line right there. And I'm just flicking out using my corners. With the side is done, now I'm going to do the back and take off that line effortlessly, just like that. Removing this now and then coming in closed to fully take out that last line, just like that. And I'm flicking out at that line. As you can see, is removing. I'm going to open it now to detail this fade. Now I'm going to take this off and then close it to take off everything. Slap the half guard back on, close it halfway, and then just detail. And that right there is the burst fade done. Now I'm going to do the shear work. I'm going to chop it off now, bro. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it, bro. Oh, and it's off, dude. Oh my goodness, how you feel?
No,
How many years of this was it?
it was almost a year.
Like, time for a change, bro. New chapter in your life. All right, bro. Take that.
So, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending top.
That was how to do a burst fade. Simple, clean, easy. If you guys enjoyed this, click subscribe, like. I only started my YouTube of recently this year. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and click my other videos. I drop banger tutorials just like this one. Take it easy.